Sequence initiated. All bays synchronized.
Flow rates are stable. Confirm transfer complete.
Machine demonstrates the elasticity of the lipstick base. If the sheet breaks, the formula is too dry.
The tubes undergo a final steam bath to ensure they are sterile before receiving the cosmetic product.
Despite the automation, the delicate insertion of the lipstick bullet into the mechanism requires the gentle touch of human hands.
The sheer scale of operations is visible here. Thousands of units are processed every hour in this cavernous hall.
Make sure the temperature stays steady. The color match looks perfect.
Dosage on the UV is consistent across the line.
Good. We need to ensure full sterilization before packaging.
We have to ensure there's no sweating on the bullets. If they sweat, it means the temperature stabilization failed.
Look at the speed of those blue arms. Not a single error in the last hour. The calibration is perfect.
The machine grabs the mascara wands and inserts them into the filled tubes, applying the exact torque needed to seal them. The machine tests the strength of the protective film, ensuring it stays in place during shipping but peels off easily for the customer.
The suspension is holding steady. We achieved full saturation.
Confirmed. The carbon black is fully integrated.
A metal clamp grips the head of a makeup brush. Another clamp holds the handle. The machine pulls them apart to test the glue strength.
The system builds a 3D model of the lipstick to check for any structural deformities or asymmetry in the mold.
The specialist's inkjet coater. The inkjet printer sprays the lot number and expiration date onto the side of the box as it flies past.
The machine applies 4 identical dots of glue to the box flaps to ensure a tamper-evident seal. A machine...
The tablet confirms the box weight is 309 grams. If it were lighter, it would mean a missing item, and the box would be rejected.
The massive robot arm lifts heavy boxes with ease, stacking them onto a wooden pallet in an interlocking pattern for prioritize the express shipments on level 3. We need everything scanned and ready for the dock in 10 minutes.
Are these the final boxes for the perfume line?
Yes, they are. I just scanned them.
We need to rearrange this section before opening. Put the new pallets on the top shelf.
Feel free to try the new foundation line right here. Oh, perfect. I was hoping to see the lighter shades.
Glow Serum offers great hydration.
Oh, really? I will take 2 of those.
That comes to $55. Will that be cash or card?
I finally got it. They had one left.
Oh, good. Let's go look at the new arrivals.